I will kill you tomorrow. Actually, that is killing you. Anyways, I'm starting my gate preparation from tomorrow. I'm starting with aptitude, and for that, I'm setting my alarm for tomorrow 5 o'clock. Let's start it.
I got a degree but no direction. A resume full of rejection. They say you're young, you got time.
I feel sleepy. I want few more minutes to sleep. So I thought to start it after breakfast. After breakfast, I feel to take few minutes rest. And then lunchtime came, dinner time came, and finally, when I'm going to bed, I realized I lost a day. Then I decided to start this all by tomorrow at any cost. As I set the alarm again, and the next day comes, the cycle repeated again and again and again until March 10. I wasted 10 days in my gate schedule, not even thinking about any of gate issues. I just pretended to be starting gate, but I'm not started. And I'm thinking about why I'm not starting. There are two problems. And one thing is, I know it's very important to start preparation, but I'm not feeling it as urgent because the exam in February next year. There are probably 10 months. That is what I'm thinking. And the second problem is, I said I'm starting with aptitude, yes, but I don't know where to start, which topic to pick. There are lots of topics in aptitude, but I'm not feeling where to start. I don't know. I'm checking it when I'm forcefully think and say where to start, and it's all clumsy confusion. Like when I'm saying this. So I'm decided to solve at least one question today. Then write two questions for tomorrow. It's probably not enough, but I'm trying to put me in a flow state. Let's try this. This is Rishi. See you again.
I refuse to lose.